Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subaru Forester. It is 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. It comes with 54,842 original miles. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on. Also, this is the kilometers, 88,301. The miles on it again is 54,842. As y'all can see, the lights do go away, so you know we have not punched them out. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Driving to savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. I do want to tell you guys that we really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for the continued support. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.